Hello, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is nutrition in animals. Previously, we have studied nutrition in plants. Now we will study nutrition in animals. So, what is nutrition? Nutrition means providing our body with food, then its digestion and utilization by the body for its activities is known as nutrition. In the previous chapter, we have studied that the nutrition is of two types: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Basically, plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. That's why they are known as autotrophic, whereas animals cannot make their food themselves. That's why the animals are known as heterotrophic organisms. Animals get their food from plants. Some animals eat plants directly while some animals eat plant eating animals. That means the animals either directly utilize plant as their food, or they are dependent on the animals which are dependent on the plant their food. So you can say that animal get their food directly from the plant or indirectly from the plant. The herbivorous animal, those those animals are herbivores which eat only plants. So they directly dependent on the plants for their food. They get their nutrition from the plants only. Then carnivorous animal. They do not eat plants, but they depend on those animals which are herbivores. That means for their food they are dependent on the herbivorous animal. They get their food from them. So you can say that indirectly the carnivorous animal also depend on the plants for their food. So we can conclude that all the animals get their food from plants either directly or indirectly. All organisms require food for survival and growth. Requirement of nutrients, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in body are collectively known as nutrition. If uh, if we are going to define the nutrition, then what will be the definition of nutrition? That nutrition is the process of intake of food in the body, then its digestion, absorption, and then utilization by the body for its activities is known as nutrition. So you can say that nutrition is a collective process of few activities which include intake of food, which is known as ingestion. Then if it is solid food, then it need its digestion. So second step will be the digestion. After digesting the food, that digested food must be mixed inside the body so that it can be utilized by body. So the next process in the nutrition will be the absorption of the food, and after that assimilation, that means utilization of the food by the body, and at last the undigested food is thrown out of the body through the process of digestion. So nutrition is actually a collective term used for five different processes, that are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and digestion. So in this chapter we will study about the nutrition in animals. Now, in the previous classes, you have studied about the nutrients. Five different type of nutrients we have studied, which are needed by the body. So the animals, they take solid food from the environment, which are rich in different nutrients, and then those food get digested in their body, and then they get the nutrient from the food. So when we are moving further in this topic, first of all, in the process of nutrition, we will study the intake of food, the mode of intake of food. Different animals are there. their feeding habits are different. That means they use different food for their survival, and different methods are involved in the intake of food. So in the next class we will study different modes of intake of food, the processes or the methods by which animals put food inside their body.